Hello everyone, my name is Sydney and welcome to another review video. In today's video I'm going to show you this Nike Vaporknit away jersey of France. It is customized with the Nation League patch as well as Griezmann number 7. Before that, make sure to subscribe on my channel, way more awesome things on the way, so keep an eye out. For now, let's check out this jersey. So that's the away jersey of France. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this one. In the next clip I will show you how this jersey fits me. Once again, make sure to subscribe on the channel. Way more jerseys on the way. Thanks for watching. See you next time.